Hi, learners, and welcome to week 12 of U.S. History Reconstruction, Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 12. Like I just said, I'm trying a new program to record, so bear with me this week. Just like anything else you try that's new, sometimes things don't go as expected. So we're trying Screencastify. So we'll see what happens and the differences between Screencast-O-Matic and this one. This one goes directly to my Google Drive, which is going to free up some space on my computer because I ran out of space storage. So here we go. Let's see what happens and hope for the best here. Okay, so this week's assignments, units 2.7 and 2.8, War in the South and the West, and a quiz on the Revolutionary War. Okay, so our learning target is I can review the main leaders and the events of the Battle of Yorktown. And just take a second and look at this video. What appears to be happening in the video or in the picture below, in the photo below. You kind of look at this here. You see somebody standing off here. You see somebody signing something. Well, someone's watching over kind of on the ground here. You can see it looks like some rough stuff sort of went on. Okay, so if you look here, lots of military people, and it's actually the signing of the Treaty of Paris. So it ended the Revolutionary War. So Yorktown is very, very important in terms of American history and in terms of learning about the Revolutionary War. But you can see the signing of the treaty there. Okay, so when you're exploring the different resources, you obviously have your class in Odyssey Where. So you will go into War in the South and the West. And I also would like you to read Americans Defeat the British at Yorktown, take some notes on the key strategies that helped the Patriots beat the British at the battle. And you're going to also look at the following videos about the Battle of Yorktown. So you can watch the Siege of Yorktown and how George Washington ended the war at Yorktown. Okay, so there are some pretty short, quick videos. You can jot down some notes on what happened at the Battle of Yorktown, how the Patriots won the battle, and at what cost the battle was won. Okay, and when you're done, you can complete the flashcards in the Quizlet on the Battle of Yorktown, the Revolutionary War. Okay, and I want you to take a minute and just kind of think about this political cartoon. After you learn more about the Battle of Yorktown, it's going to make much more sense and how the Patriots were able to beat the British. Okay, so you can see the snake here, and this is a very, very famous picture, and you can kind of see what the snake is doing with its body. So just take a couple minutes and think about that. And you can make the picture or the photo bigger when you go to complete your actual weekly instructional lessons in Google Classroom. Okay, then you're going to check your understanding of Yorktown with a small quiz. And then after you're done, based on what you learned in the lesson, pretend you're part of the British military and devise a military strategy to help Cornwallis escape from the trap set by the Patriots and the French Navy. You're going to need to persuade the British military that this is the best possible option. So what may or might have they done to stop themselves from getting into the predicament that they were in the Battle of Yorktown? Okay, so you need to persuade everyone to sort of follow your idea there. So you are going to look at the persuasive rubric, and that's how you're going to be graded. Okay, you're going to reflect on what new information you learned from the lesson, and there is a ton of great new information that you are going to learn about the Revolutionary War. Okay, any questions, concerns, reach out to me, and we're going to see how we eventually stop this video here.